Alright. Alright, boys, let's do this. T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire! Whoa, what the fuck? What? Ha! Holy shit.
An immediate evacuation order has been issued for Adams, Denver, Jefferson, Abraho and Broomfield counties. At 12:18 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a classified military device has been sent flying and is on course towards Denver. The sabotage of the test was believed to have been caused by a terrorist organization, and it is thus thought that the device has been armed with explosives. Due to the immense speed the device is traveling at, you have less than 2 minutes to leave the city. Do not take any supplies with you. Get everyone out of your house.